Now that you have a fair bit of understanding of how Vlookup function works in Excel, here are a few considerations that you need to bear in mind when using Vlookup. Vlookups only work when the information that you have, that is the lookup value, is in the first column of the data that you are looking at within the table array. Consider the example of a phone book. You need to start with the name first. You cannot start with the phone number and then find the name. Vlookup is handy when using massive chunks of data. However, it only returns the value of the first match it finds. In case you have duplicate values and there are 100 of possible matches, it will always return the value of the first match it finds. The final consideration you need to bear in mind is that it can only return a value in the table array to the right. It can never go left. There are simple solutions around these problems, but we'll save those for another session. For now, have fun looking up. This is Pranav from My Class Advisor.